Very joyful morning, dear kids. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, today is Monday and we are going to learn English subject. Oh yes, look at here who I came to meet you all. Vowel E. Which alphabet is this? Vowel E. Okay. So what we have to do is today match the following pictures with their names. Okay. Miss had stick already pictures here and here are some spellings also. Look at here who I came to meet you all. Vowel E. Vowel E. Yes, what we have to do is match the following picture with the names. Okay. Miss had already stick picture here and some spellings are written here beta. Yes, what you have to do is now we are going to match the pictures with their spellings. Okay, so let's start. How we will match? Which picture is this beta? Yes, this is bed. Okay, B-E-D. Now search the spelling. Where is bed? Where is the spelling of bed? Yes, here it is. So we will match the picture with the spelling B-E-D, bed. Okay. Now go for the next picture. Which picture is this? Yes, you are right. This is red color. Okay. Now we will search the spelling also. Now, where is the spelling of red? R-E-D. Red. Where is it? It is here? No. Is it this? No. Yes, it is this. So we will match the spelling. Match the picture with the spelling. Okay. R-E-D. Red. Okay. Now identify the next picture. Which picture is this? This is L-E-G, leg. Now search the spelling of leg. Where is it? Is it this? No. Is it this? No. Yes, it is. Yes, here it is. Okay. Now we will match the spelling with the picture with the spelling L-E-G, leg. Yes. Now what is this? Yes, this is P-E-G, peg. P-E-G, peg. Now search the spelling. Yes, here it is. P-E-G, peg. Okay. Now the last picture is cake. Where is it? Yes. Here it is. K-E-G, cake. Okay. Like this way you have to match all the pictures along with the spelling. Now we will do it in our book also. Okay. Yes, dear kids. Now take out page number 3434 beta. Yes. Now what you have to do is join the dots to match E sound words with the correct pictures. Okay. What you have to do is E sound words you have to match with the pictures. Yes. So at the very first, which word is written here? R-E-D. Red. Okay. So we have to match with the color of red. Where is it? Yes. Is it here? This is? Yes. It is here. So you have to match with a red color. Okay. Now W-E-D. Wed. What is the meaning of wed? Newly married. Yes. So we have to match with the wed. W-E-D, wed. Okay. Wed. Then Read the next word. P-E-N, pen. Okay, P-E-N, pen. So search the pen. Where is it, beta? Where is it? Yes, it is here. Okay, so you have to match the words with the correct picture here. Then which is the next word? That is K-E-G, keg. Keg means पानी वाला ड्रम को हम केग बोलते हैं. Okay, so where is the picture of keg? Here it is. So you have to match with the picture. Yes. Now our next word is T-E-N, ten. Okay. Now search for the 10 number, beta. Where is it? Yes, it is here. So we will match here, beta. Okay. Like this way you have to complete the page number 3-4-34. Okay. Now take out page number 3-5-35, kids. Okay. Yes, now what we have to do is look at the following pictures and write their names in the correct groups. Yes. Two groups are given here, beta, E-N and E-T. What you have to do is you have to add one alphabet and you have to make a word. Okay. According to these pictures. What you have to do is look at the following pictures and write their names in the correct groups. Okay. So you have to write as per the group mentioned here. Okay. E-N words. Okay. At the very first you have to, which picture is this, beta? This is hen. So we have to write it here, H-E-N, hen. Okay. Then next word is den. है ना? Den. Okay. जहाँ lion रहता है वो जगह को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Den. Okay. So you have to write the den here. D-E-N, den. Okay. Then 10. T, you have to add T. Then you have to read also. T-E-N, 10. So you have to write it here. T-E-N, 10. Okay. After 10, which picture is this? This is men. So you have to write it here. Men. M-E-N, men. Okay. Yes, last word you have to, which picture is this, beta? This is pen. So you have to write it. You have to write it here. P-E-N, pen. Okay. Now we had written all. Yes, we had written all the E-N words. So we read now. H-E-N, hen. D-E-N, den. T-E-N, ten. M-E-N, men. Then P-E-N, pen. Okay. Now our next group is E-T. So you have to add one alphabet and you have to write it here. Okay. At the very first, just search for the picture, beta, which will come. That is J-E-T, jet. Okay. So we will write here J-E-T, jet. Okay. Then next is pet. Okay. add P here, then you have to write P-E-T, pet. Next is wet. Wet means gilla. Okay. So you have to add W here. Yes. If we add W here, beta, which word will come? That is, which word we will get? Wet. That is, we have to write here W-E-T, wet. Okay. And search for the next picture, that is net. We have to add N. Okay. N, so we will get N-E-T, net. So we have to write here N-E-T, net. Okay. You have to write here B-E-T, bet. Yes, dear kids. By this way you have to complete all the words, beta. Now we will read all the words also. J-E-T, jet. P-E-T, pet. W-E-T, wet. N-E-T, net. B-E-T, bet. All these words are, which sound it belongs to? It sound of E. E. Now take out page number 3636. Yes, write 3 words for each group given below. Just in previous page we had done, like the same way we have to complete this page also. Yes. So what we have to do is, here it had written ED. So we have to add one alphabet and we have to make words like this. Okay. Like Miss had add here R-E-D. R-E-D, red. Then B-E-D, bed. Okay. Then W-E-D, wed. Yes, dear kids, this way you have to complete ED words. Yes. Here it had written EG. Now you have to add one more alphabet in it. Yes. That is first number we will add K-E-G. Keg. Okay. Now here what we will write? P-E-G. Peg. Third we will write L-E-G. Leg. Okay. What we have to write here? L-E-G, leg. Okay. Yes. Now E-T. In E-T we have to add one more alphabet, that is, we have to write here N-E-T, net. Okay. Then P-E-T, pet. And third, W-E-T, wet. Okay. By this way you have to complete this line. Okay, adding one more alphabet. Yes, dear kids, net, pet and W-E-T, wet. Now here you have to, like the same way you have to add one more alphabet, that is H-E-T, N, hen. Okay. Then M, E, N, men. Then we have to write here P, E, N, pen. Yes, I think you had understood how to write how to complete page number 3636 beta. Okay. This way you have to complete this page number 36. Okay. Yes, dear kids, like this way you have to complete this page and send it to me. Okay, along with reading. Daily you have to read. Whichever we had done beta, you have to read also. Okay. Writing practice, then reading practice.